Hi there. My name is Carlos Piovanetti. I'm the managing attorney at Immigration Legal Services. And I am here once again to talk about micro topics. Today's immigration micro topics is going to be what to do when we hear a knock on the door and the person at the other side of the door is the police. Well, the police comes and they knock on your door. The first thing that you are going to do is you're going to ask the officer what he wants. Or you're going to ask, first of all, who's there? And the officer is going to tell you that it's the police. So the next question is, what can I do for you, officer? The policeman tells you, I am looking for Johnny Good Looking. Well, if Good Looking is at the house, you tell the police officer to hang on. You go get Good Looking. Good Looking's going to come to the door. And Good Looking is going to ask the police officer, Mr. Policeman, what do you want of me? I am Johnny Good Looking. And the police officer is going to tell him, Mr. Good Looking, I have a warrant for your arrest. Well, if you do, a police officer, Good Looking will tell him, slip it under the door, let me review it. He slips it under the door, he reviews it. But guess what? It's a legitimate, it's a legitimate arrest warrant for his arrest. So, Good Looking will open the door and go outside. You will not, under any circumstances, allow this police officer to come in. Believe me, there's not going to be just one police officer. You're going to have a whole bunch of police officers, maybe 10 or 12. Now, if the police says to you, if Good Looking is not there, you're going to tell the policeman, sorry, Good Looking is not here. Okay? Then the police officer tells you, well, I need to talk to you. I need to go inside the house. You're going to tell him no. Or you're going to ask him, do you have a search warrant? If the officer has a search warrant, then we must let them in. If they say yes, they do, ask to see it before you open the door. And it has to say search warrant and identify your home as the premises to be searched. That's very important. If the officer does not have a search warrant, and most of the time they do not, I repeat, most of the time they do not have a search warrant, then don't let them in. If you let them in, believe me, this is what's going to happen. They're going to arrest anyone and everyone who's undocumented in the United States. And even those who are documented, they don't discriminate. They'll just, put everyone in a bus and then we'll sort it out later. And that's unfortunate, but that is how this government operates. So once again, let's, recap. If there's a knock on the door and it's the policeman and the person they're looking for is at the home, and they indeed do have a valid arrest warrant, by all means, that person steps outside. Cops don't come in. If the police officer has a search warrant and it's a legitimate search warrant, then we have to let them in. However, if they don't have a search warrant, and most of the time, again, I repeat, most of the time they don't have a search warrant, well, then we're going to have, well, then we're not going to let this man come in because he doesn't have a search warrant. But if he does have a search warrant, unfortunately, we have to let him in. Therefore, it's very important to remain calm, don't be argumentative, don't provide any information, don't answer any of their questions. And with that, my good friends, I will see you the next time that I'm here. But before I leave, I want to remind you that you can contact us at area code in Long Island, 631-617-5269. In New York City, area code 646-998-8123. You can also contact us via the web at www.ilsoli.org. Or you can also visit us in Facebook. Just simply click and go to our webpage, go to our page on Facebook. See you next time. Bye-bye.